Hi, this is Mrs. Singley. Today we're talking about when to use an, and when to use a. And this is in a sentence. So we have two clues here on this sheet. Our first clue is any word that begins with a vowel, and it reminds us what the vowels are. A, E, I, O, U. Can you say those with me? A, E, I, O, U. So you use the word an with a vowel. And they gave us some examples here, like an apple, an egg. And do you notice the vowel here? Apple starts with an A. Egg starts with an E. Here's the next one. An iPad. That's what I'm using right now, an iPad. An iPad has an I. And then the next one is an oven. An oven starts with an O. And then the last one is an umbrella. An umbrella starts with a U. So you're going to use the word an with another word that starts with a vowel. Now, when do we use a? And here's our clue. Our clue is any word. Sorry, hold on a second. Any word that begins with a consonant. So anything that's not a vowel, that might be B, C, D. Oh, not E. E is a vowel. F, G, H. Not I, because I is a vowel, and so on. So let's look at the examples they have of when to use a in a sentence. So we have a book. And do you see here, B is a consonant. It's not a vowel. The next one is a cup of coffee. And cup starts with C. That's a consonant. The next one is a dog bone. And dog starts with a D, which is a consonant. Then we have a house. House starts with H. A town, and town starts with T. That's a consonant. And our last one is a drink. And drink starts with a D. Okay, let's continue to get some examples. So the difference between a and A and an have the same meaning. It's called an indefinite article. Now you don't have to remember that. That's a big word. It's just a part of our speech when we're writing and when we're talking. A and an are just articles. And the difference depends on the sound at the beginning of the next word. Okay, and again, it's reminding us when the next sound starts with a consonant. Consonant, remember, is B, D, F, G, H. Then it's going to start with A. So we have a book, a car, a dog, a frog, a lemon, a truck. And then when our word has a vowel, starts with a vowel sound, then we're going to use an apple. And I can see right here, A is a vowel. An egg. Egg starts with E. insect. What does insect start with? Okay, an orange. What does orange start with? An umbrella. An umbrella starts with. And the last one, an actor. An actor starts with. Okay, let's jump to the bottom because this is some examples of how to apply a and an with a noun, an adjective, or an adverb. So right here, it says a cold day. And cold is describing day. So cold is an adjective. But do you notice cold starts with a C? That's a consonant, so we use A. The next one says a very crazy person. Very crazy describes a person. Those are adjectives as well. And I notice very starts with a V. That's a consonant. So we use the letter A. And our next example says an easy lesson. And easy starts with an E, which is a vowel. So that means we use the word an. And easy is describing lesson. Easy is an adjective. And our last one, an interesting class. I see the word an because the next word starts with an I. And interesting is describing class. Okay, time to practice. And I included a similar sheet for, to Mom and Dad, so you can do one on your own. Let's look at this page. This page tells us write the word a or an to modify each noun. That means we need to fill in the blank with a or an and finish the phrase. And remember, we're going to look at the first letter of the word to see if we need to write a or an. That will help us. And the pictures also help us on this one. So our first one is umbrella, and I see umbrella starts with a U, so I need to write an umbrella. Okay, the next one, I notice a B. Is B a vowel? No, it's not. So I just write a ball. Okay, next one we have cat, and cat starts with a C. Is that a vowel? No. So I'm going to write A again. Next one is airplane, and it starts with a A. That is a vowel, so I need to write an airplane. Next one is, do you know this one? Igloo. It's a house made out of ice. Igloo starts with an I, so I need to write an igloo. And our last one is elephant. And elephant starts with an E. And that is a vowel, so I need to write an elephant. Now it's your turn. I gave Mom and Dad an extra sheet, similar to this one, for you to practice. Okay,